Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. Welcome to Windows Server tutorial series. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable firewall using group policy in Windows Server 2019. Are you ready? So let's get started. First, you should open your server manager and click Tools. Okay, and click on Group Policy Management. So under your domain, you have a folder which is Group Policy. Expand it and right click on the folder and create a new group policy for Firewall. Okay, name it. For example, uh, disable or enable firewall group policy. Okay, and okay, so I created the policy and now let's edit the prop policy. Okay, click on edit, right click on that and click on edit, and then after that you should expand policies, and then after the administrative templates. Okay, under administrative templates we have folder which is network. Okay, and then after that under network you should find network connections. Let me find out which is this one. Okay, as you can see, this is the Windows Defender Firewall. We have under this folder we have two subfolders, which is domain profile and standard profile. So if you want to set this policy on domain profile, so click on the folder, and then after that there is just a moment, let me, and then after that you should click on Windows Defender Firewall protect all network connections. Okay, double click on that, and here you can enable or disable the firewall. Okay, I'm going to apply and okay, that's for domain profile. So if you want to enable or disable the Windows firewall for standard profile, click on the folder and find this one, protect all network connections, double click on that. Here you can enable or disable the Windows Defender Firewall using group policy. That's it guys, I hope you will like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.